In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Opera GX browser language settings. Changing the language in Opera GX is quick and easy, and it only takes a few moments to complete. Whether you want to use the browser in your native language or simply prefer a different language for the interface, Opera GX gives you the option to customize it through the Settings menu. In this video, I'll walk you through the process from start to finish so you can change the browser language right away. To begin, open the Opera GX browser on your computer. Once the browser has fully loaded, move to the upper left corner of the window and click the Opera logo. This opens the main menu, where you'll find access to the browser's settings and other useful features. From the menu, scroll down and click Settings. After the Settings page opens, look at the menu on the left side and scroll until you find the Language section. Click Language to open the available language options. In the Language section, locate the option for your browser language. If your preferred language is already listed, select it. If it isn't, choose the option to add another language, then browse the available languages and select the one you want to use. After adding it, set it as the language Opera GX should use for its interface. Depending on your version of Opera GX, you may see an option to display the browser in the selected language. If that option appears, enable it. You may also be prompted to restart the browser for the change to take effect. If so, simply restart Opera GX, and when it opens again, the browser interface should appear in your newly selected language. Take a moment to look through the menus after the browser restarts to confirm that the language has been updated successfully. If it hasn't changed immediately, return to the language settings and verify that your preferred language is set as the default browser language before restarting again. That's all it takes to change the language in Opera GX. Once you've completed these steps, you can always return to the language settings anytime you want to switch to a different language. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel.